Inbenta Learn is a powerful tool that accelerates self-service through interactive step-by-step demos. Learn's clickable hands-on walkthroughs reduce support calls by over 65%, cut handling time in half, and boost first contact resolution to 80%. In this video, we'll show you how Inbenta Learn helps both your customers and employees understand and adopt your digital tools. Learn demos are easy to build and deploy. They're easy to adapt as your business evolves. And whether it's for self-serve, assisted serve, or employee training, Learn bridges the gap between your users and your digital products. Inbenta's Self-Serve Hub is used by major financial institutions like the Royal Bank of Canada. With the Learn Self-Serve Hub, users can launch digital demos right from your website, app, or help center. These demos walk users through common tasks, click by click, eliminating the need to call for help. Features like autoplay and voiceover make digital demos as simple as watching a video. In a contact center or branch, RBC agents can use Learn in real time to guide customers through digital journeys. No more describing where to click. They can also share demos by email or chat, helping customers at their own pace, 24/7. Learn has led to 90,000 new uses of RBC's digital products and a cost savings of $2.8 million. Learn also powers employee training. With Inbenta's gamified Employee Hub, the same demos can be grouped into courses, complete with quizzes, scores, and certifications. For M&T Bank, Learn was used to train 5,000 retail bank employees, giving them the knowledge and confidence to help customers with M&T's digital tools. The results? M&T employees completed 171,000 Learn courses and shared nearly 1 million digital demos with customers. The cost savings? More than $2 million. Inbenta Learn is more than a training tool. It's a scalable, integrated, gamified solution. Empower your customers, support your agents, transform your digital strategy.